This is my junk journal that I made for Ink Stained Archives Challenge in Line Dot Arrow and Junk Journal Fix Facebook groups. I used only freebies for the entire journal, and I made it ripped waterfall pages throughout, and we have a binder clip that's holding the entire journal together. So on the front cover I made a cluster with bookbinding freebies, a little bit of lace, and then a bunch of the little clusters, little images that she gave us. Inside we have a little cluster paper clip that I made that has little teeny pieces of ephemera in it. A little ticket, a little piece of paper for writing. We have some journaling pages. Here is another different style hidden paper clip. Again, using only freebies. I did a little cluster, totally hidden paper clip. Okay, on this page I made a swing tag. I also turned it into a little tuck spot. With a little piece of Two Sister Jam lace and a couple of tags. Here I had an extra piece of scrap paper from one of the pages, so I just stuck it on here as a page edge. Then one of these little pieces of ephemera we got as a freebie, I just used as a little tuck spot. Glued down the lamp, because that is really fragile when you're cutting that out. But I just used one of the freebie tags and tucked it behind the bookcase and the chair. And on this page, I did a cluster pocket and a couple of tags, library card tags. This is one of them that folds up. And we have more writing spaces. This is one of the weeks we had to do a personalized library pocket. So I made mine into a pocket, and it's a couple of books that I'm reading right now, so I just put those on the library card. So a little side pocket right there, and two of the freebie tags, and those just get tucked into the top. And then I made a little page edge cluster with the book bindings and some of the other little pieces of ephemera. And one of the journaling cards, whoops, he's upside down. And a library tag. Those just get tucked in there. I just glued the edges, just these corner edges, and down the back here. And then another week challenge, we had to make, I think this was part of the personalized library cards too. I don't know, there was a lot of things going on. So I can't remember everything I did in the last month. Index cards tucked inside. And then a couple of more pockets. This one's a double pocket, a little library card tucked inside there. And then this was a little notepad that I made. Natalie's idea. Thought it was really cool, so I did one. But I backed the tags with some scrap paper that I had. And they just get tucked inside this little ABCD pocket. If I can get it back in here. Alright, I'm going to have to put that in there later. But the front also has a pocket underneath the bingo card. In the back I put in a couple of little teeny square brown brads that I had. And I thought it was really cool. I liked it. And it just gets tucked inside that pocket. Alright, and this was another one of the week challenges. I made a belly band out of the library cards, and at the bottom of the belly band I made a pocket and put a little tag in it. And then again, some of the books I've been reading I put on the library cards. This was another one of the week's challenges. It's a pocket, and it's stuffed. It is stuffed full of things. We got journaling cards, the library card, we have a postcard. Then inside here, I made a little book. I had some old books. I just ripped out pages. I made a little book. And it just gets tucked inside here. And then on the back, there's a library pocket with a couple of library cards. And that gets tucked underneath the belly band. And then we had to make a bookmark. So I did a bookmark on one of the papers and left the hole inside, just folded it up and left the hole inside for writing. And then on the back cover, and I just finished this one today, I did a page cluster. I had lots of pieces left over, and I just put it on the back cover. But there you have it. I thought this was a really cool journal. I like how it turned out. Thank you, Natalie and Mandy, for all of the graphics. Absolutely a fun month. Thank you for watching, everybody. Have a great day.